Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
To use an Xbox 360 controller on Nintendo Switch, you need a dedicated adapter. Use a Brook Super Converter Xbox 360 to Switch adapter for console compatibility. Have a wired Xbox 360 controller and one free USB port on the Switch dock. Update the converter firmware on a PC before first use using its USB cable. Download the updater from the adapter maker and run the tool. Follow on-screen prompts to install the latest firmware. Confirm firmware completes before moving to the console connection. With firmware current, you now connect hardware to the Switch dock USB port. Plug the Brook converter into a Switch dock USB port and power the console. Plug the Xbox 360 controller into the converter and press any button to wake the controller. The adapter will translate Xbox 360 signals into Switch Pro controller input. If needed, press and hold the converter mode button for 3 seconds to toggle translation modes. Wait 2 to 5 seconds until the Switch detects a Pro controller input. If the Switch does not recognize input, first replug the controller and adapter firmly. If buttons fail, replug the controller and try another USB port on the dock. Check the adapter firmware again on your PC and rerun the updater if needed. Firmware updates and PC updater use a micro USB cable from the adapter to your computer. Remember, Xbox 360 controllers lack Switch features, so expect no gyro or HD rumble. For consistent playtest inputs in Switch controller settings, and remap if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.